Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Radiant for Imperial part number 37187. Radiant for Imperial part number 37187 is a high-performance, energy-efficient LED lighting system designed for use in commercial and industrial applications. The system is designed to provide superior illumination and energy savings while reducing maintenance costs. It features a modular design that allows for easy installation and customization, as well as a wide range of options for color, temperature, beam angle, and dimming capabilities. The system is UL listed and comes with a 5-year warranty. Radiant for Imperial part number 37187 is ideal for use in warehouses. This part fixes the following symptoms. Radiant for Imperial part number 37187 is a replacement thermostat for Imperial gas furnaces. It is designed to replace faulty or malfunctioning thermostats and can help to fix symptoms such as the furnace not turning on, not reaching the desired temperature, or cycling on and off too frequently. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the furnace. 2. Remove the existing radiant heat element from the furnace. 3. Install the Radiant for Imperial part number 37187 in its place, making sure that it is securely attached to the furnace. 4. Turn on the power to the furnace and test the new radiant heat element to make sure it is working properly. 5. If everything is working correctly, you can now enjoy your new Radiant for Imperial part number 37187. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.